that somebody, body. Keep me satisfied. Hear me breathing, breathing, don't want it. I need it, need it. We getting heated, come on and keep me satisfied.